Diego is leading the charge in issuing gun violence restraining orders. Welcome back. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. Last year, 37% of all GVROs in the state were issued here in San Diego. But as News 8's David Goffredson reports, court records are being kept secret in one of the county's most high-profile gun restraining order cases.
We want legitimacy in this program. We want people to trust and believe in it.
San Diego City Attorney Mara Elliott is the go-to authority on gun violence restraining orders in San Diego County and across the state.
We trained all the judges, and they were 100% on board.
Flanked by the state attorney general and the San Diego police chief earlier this week, Elliott explained how her office works with law enforcement and the courts to get gun violence restraining orders issued, like the one served 2 months ago on Larry Millete, the husband of missing mother, Maya Millete.
We have to have evidence, and we have to convince a judge that there is a reason for a gun violence restraining order to be issued.
When officers seized Larry Milliete's entire gun collection on May 7th, the case immediately became one of the most high-profile gun violence restraining orders in the county. Even so, court records detailing why Milliete's guns were taken remain sealed or redacted at the request of the city attorney's office.
The public does not pay attention to every case. And so when the public is interested in a case, it's important that they be given every opportunity to learn about it so that they can become aware of how our justice system works.
Attorney Matthew Halgren is now representing News 8 in a court motion to make the gun violence restraining order filed against Larry Millete public.
The Southern California media has a very long history of going to court to protect the rights not only of the press but also of the public to access court proceedings.
The judge's original sealing order was supposed to be temporary, as it was signed before the gun violence restraining order had been served on Millete.
However, his guns have now been seized, and so he's well aware of the proceedings, and there's no reason to continue to maintain them under seal.
The San Diego City Attorney's Office is opposed to making the records public. They are filing their opposition with the court under seal. They did not respond to a request for comment today. Larry Milliete's attorney also did not respond to a request for comment, but I know she is opposed to making these records public as well. Carlo?
David, in the meantime, Maya's still missing. We know that the family and volunteers have been out searching every weekend looking for her. Where will they be focusing their efforts this weekend?
Right, every weekend they are not giving up. This weekend they're meeting both Saturday and Sunday at 7 a.m. at the South Bay Rod and Gun Club, which is on the east side of Otay Mountain.
All right, David Goffredson, thanks.